It is quite late today when I'm entering the Epping forest, but it's a really beautiful sunny day. It's 2:30, so I guess it's gonna give me enough time to have a good roam around the place. Looks like someone was trying to build a shelter over here. This is quite big. The principles are there. There's a small entrance over here. I guess they made a place to make fire as well. This clearly wouldn't be a good shelter from rain, but it's definitely a decent start. I've made quite a mistake preparing today for this trip. I guess a rookie error. Didn't pack enough water with me. Just took 1 liter, thought that this would be enough. It's around hour and a half of roaming around, and I'm down to half a liter, which is like 16 ounces of water. There is a stream nearby where I could possibly refill this bottle after it's going to be depleted. I also do have a live straw on me, and some water purification tablets. Possibly this could be a good opportunity to actually test those out, especially given it's still a few hours before I'm going to be done with today. Not really sure if I would want to take that risk today just yet, but hey, who knows, you know? Possibly that's going to be my next video. The tranquility. Now ain't that pretty? Now coming out of this quite thick part of the forest over there, it's quite lovely to see this. Finally no bushes, no long hanging branches. A predator on the prowl for his next victim. Can you see him? There's the beast. It's not moving right now. Well, it seems the predator is trying to wait it out not to be my victim. There you go. There's the beast. I have to check back home what species is this. There you go. Sorry for the shaky cam. Not in the best of the positions. I lounged a little bit in the sun, but now it's time to get back into the thick of it. Yeah, this doesn't seem very safe. Well, I am completely out of water now, but I'm definitely not as desperate to be testing my water purification tablets and live straw on this. This looks like a proper cesspool of parasites and bacteria. I guess I just have to wing it. And I guess I just have to make it back home or find some running water in a better condition than this one. Nope, not this one either. This looks pretty bad. Well, continuing my quest to find some water. It seems I have reached civilization again, but shooting at any time? I thought that this was still Great Britain, not America. But what'd you know? Alright, so success. Finally found some properly running water. The thing is that I'm so close now to getting out of the forest. I think I'm gonna skip on testing the water purification tablets or the live straw today, and probably just make a proper video about it some other time. Yes, I'm almost back in civilization. I'm almost at the tube that's gonna take me back to London, back to all the concrete and steel and glass. But it was a really good trip. I really enjoyed it, and I gotta come here more often, especially given it's only a few tube stops away. Well, fairly more than few, but it's not, it doesn't require a whole expedition to happen. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, this mashup of short clips of what was happening to me today. And stay tuned. Hope you subscribe, and I'm gonna probably be posting more of those. So see you next time.